Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about on the finance targets updates with my customer cassette. What's going on now? So, guys, I think that Ondo can hit the $5, and it will be the top for this run, approximately like 2,300, 400% gains, 15 billion market capitalization. So this circular supply, if we multiply it to $5, it's like 15.8 to 16 billion market capitalization, more than real to see. The highest point of market cap was like $5, so it will be like 3 times bigger, and it's more than real to see, but its gains because the time to accumulate Ondo was here in February 2024. So from current prices, it can be like realistic gains around 4x, $440 dollar, let's say 555, like 5x more, 555. 55, 17.7, so 18 billion market cap. It's more than real to see, but guys, it's still not like 50x, 20x, and all of the stuff what people share now in channels. Of course, guys, you can hate it because it's not so attractive numbers, not so like crazy 50x, so it's going to the moon and all of this stuff, guys, but it's just my personal opinion about this stock, and only time will show us how this stock will play out. I don't think so we're gonna drop to 50 cents again to this low. Honestly, it looks like consolidation. So if this is just a range since December 2024, so this is a top, drop, sweep, deviation at the bottom. Looks always something like deviation at the bottom. The next step should be a deviation at the top around $2.20, and after that we have to go higher. So this is like sweep, consolidation, test of equilibrium, for example, trade some period here and go higher. So this is a potential price scenario for the Ondo. When? Hard to say. I don't think so. The December high was the all-time high for the stock, and $2.14. So I think the liquidity will inflow into altcoins and Ondo also. I don't think so we will drop to sweep this low again, like 60 cents. You know, most horrible scenario if we're gonna drop and test 66 and 94. So to form the low support and reversal move. Locally, I'm not sure. It not looks like double bottom, you know. So anyway, we have to track the news now because the geopolitical affect the prices on the market so much. Now the buy line on the daily time frame is 59.96. I don't think so we're gonna test this line, just my personal opinion, you know. Take profit line is $1.18. So most positive case, guys, if we just drop, sweep this low, grab liquidity and go higher. So this is going to be the perfect scenario for Ondo, I guess. And the lines are dynamic, guys, so maybe it will happen, I don't know, by middle of September, for example. It's hard to say. 12 time frame, like you can see, the lines are dynamic, and we curve up, so it's showing us the direction, you know. So it's bullish one, more bullish than bearish, you know. So I think October, November will be green for the altcoins. So I think the Ondo will perform also, but with realistic gains, guys, with realistic. Because, for example, 500%, it's 5x. For someone, it's not enough. But imagine if the funds, the big guys, invest 1 million. So with fancy internet virtual token, right? You invest in some asset, 1 million, and get a 4 million back returns, the profit. Madness. So the buy line now on the 12 time frame is 64 cents 80. So I repeat again, most likely around here, we'll see the retest of that line, and we'll go higher. Weekly time frame, still no data for the take profit indicator, guys. I'll recommend you, by the way, to go and check the first video about Ondo to understand the logic, because it's just an update. This is not a top of the top, and I think we will form the divergence, the bigger divergence. So I think it will looks like top, some consolidation, and maybe the 3 drives pattern like this one. So another top and $5.50, for example. 18 billion market capitalization and the drop. Now it's just in the middle. Of course, it's not a crazy accumulation, right? But not a crazy distribution. So I don't think so we're going to see that type of scenarios like This one, no, I don't think so, just to be honest. No signal on direction to buy or sell. I think by end of August we can trade just in consolidation. So this was a main accumulation, last one on a daily time frame in June 22. This just in the middle trade, this was the time to out. Now nothing, no accumulation, no sales, just nothing, guys. So I recommend you use this set and track everything by yourself. How to get this set? You can write MEDM and up to 20% discount for all sets, six indicators. Market mood, guys, take a look. Daily time to in. So it was a capitulation pump, Afria, market a little bit come down. So I think, we will see something like consolidation, sweep the low and go higher. Form some local double bottom with the targets over than, I guess, $1.70 or $2. And after that, yes, we'll see some hype in the media, trash talk about a BTC to 500 to 1 million, Ethereum to 20K, and all of this stuff. And we'll be top of the top for altcoins with BTC dominance around 50-45%. So this will be the top for the alts. What do we get on market mood? Now it's just positive. No A3 or nothing. So this is not like a time to out of this stock. And if you buy before, for example, if you're in profit, of course you can fix it, some profit if you want. You're right. But this is not a top of top. 100%. Money power. Money outflow was in December, November, December. Now nothing. We at the top, right, but without any money outflow. Daily here. Money in August, beginning of August. Now we almost at the same level, but without any new money inflow. That's why sweep of that low would be just a perfect scenario. So the more people will open short positions. So let's mark that level, guys. So this is potential sweep of this liquidity, right? And we can go higher. Now nothing on a daily. No accumulation, nothing. Trade on. Sell, buy back, nothing, guys. No main signal to buys. Buy was on 12 time frame here. Of course, 12 time frame, 4 hour time frame. It's if you trade intraday, or swing trades, some daily one position trades. Anyway, you're not open position on the daily candles, right? So you mark the zones, So it was a logical entry. We formed the low, bounce it, sweep the liquidity. Got a form deviation, got a take profit indicator, take profit signal from trade on 12 time frame, buy signal, go higher. Step by step, fix the profit. But of course, I'm not recommended to trade only by indicators. They can't predict the news, for example. They can't predict what the Trump will say. They can't predict the CPA data, for example, what the Jerome Powell will say about the Fed rate or something, But it's really amazing, useful tool for you. Sell, now no new signals to buy, guys. Don't build some crazy, complicated charts now, guys. This is just order flow down, consolidation at the bottom. After that, we will see the equilibrium and go higher. So this is my take for Ondo. The top of the top, I think, possible to see the $5, but it's still on the 5x for this token. Of course, guys, you can wait the 10x. So for example, $10 from this one is 31 billion market capitalization. Possible, guys, everything possible in crypto. Just everything, literally everything. The Dogecoin hit the 70 billion market capitalization. So what are we talking about? So the Pepper reached 9 billion or 11 billion. That's why, guys, it's just you have to build a plan. It's not about to be right or wrong. It's not about to catch the top of the top, guys. It's about your investment, your real money. What do you put it in? And you have to take a profit at the end, not stuck in talking for the next 3 years bear market. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Ondo. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.